Hi everyone, good evening. How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing all right. I know I've been away. I've just decided today I'm going to be doing some filming of videos and I've got a lot of catching up to do. So I have just filmed the Ipsy Glam bag and you should have seen that video up first before this one. So this one is a very late video which I'm filming and it is the Look Fantastic for March. I know. I'm probably filming this video almost like a month later than everybody else's because I know all the sort of PR people who get their Look Fantastic boxes, they get theirs sort of towards the end of the previous month. So I know my video for March is coming literally 4 weeks late. I know, I apologise. I do normally get my box very quickly, but I realised that my 12-month subscription had ended. I realised that my 12-month subscription had ended and I didn't have auto renew on. So once I realised, okay, but how come I haven't got my Look Fantastic, especially when my GLOSSYBOX came first, I was like, oh, what's going on? So when I checked, I was like, oh yeah, my my subscription's ended. So I paid for the box I paid for my 12 months to start again. So that's a thing, and the box came sort of a few days later, but yeah, I just haven't bothered to do any filming since. I just haven't been in the right headspace. I've explained that all in previous videos, but I'm in the right headspace today. So yes, I know this is very late, but I thought since it's here, since I'm sitting here filming, let me just do this box, show it to you quickly, and then I'll crack on with the rest of my videos afterwards. So this is the March box. I have got variant 1, that's what it says here. Let's see what we got. I can't even remember what I got in last month's box, so I can't even do a quick review of last month's box. Really can't remember what was in last month's box at all. Was it okay? I can't remember. I think no, I literally can't remember, so I'll just stay quiet and just focus on this box instead. Right, what we got? What have we got here? So, we've got the usual leaflets, HelloFresh, etc, etc. Not interested in that. And we've got the Scan Me, so let me do that. Okay, so the edit this month is Feel Fantastic. That's what it looks like. I feel really weird doing this because I know you've all seen a Look Fantastic video for this month already. So I feel really weird. And you know what? I haven't watched anybody's Look Fantastic videos. I haven't been watching any beauty videos at all this month, to be honest. At the beginning of the month, I watched some of the PR unboxings of Ipsy. And that's it. I haven't watched any other beauty videos at all. I'm trying to think. That's it. I've been watching pure crime, pure true crime stuff. That's where my head's been. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. Right, let's have a look. What does it say here? So a note from our team: Feel fantastic. Discover our spring beauty routine with this month's collection of beauty essentials designed to make you feel as fantastic as you look. In this edit, an expert from Mayo, so we've got something from Mayo here, dives hydration first into the brand's body care bestsellers, from the new Feel Good Complex to the unsung heroes you need on your radar. Which product will you receive? Okay, fine. Let's go in and see what we got. Right, so, okay. First item, it looks like we've got something from, wow, that's not a bad start, is it? First item is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've actually got the full size of this, and I have been using it. I must admit, I haven't used it in the last week or 2 or 3, but I have got this and it does work. It does work. Let's turn it the right way around. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius Serum and Mini. It's one of those products where you will start to see results, I would say, within a month, but they normally say sort of 4 to 6 weeks, don't they? But if you stop using it, you kind of go back to how you were before. So it's one of those products you have to keep on using. You can't just start it and then stop, which is a pain, but that's how these things work. And that's how they make their money, isn't it? You've got to keep on using it. So we've got a Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius Serum Mini, 24.5 grams, worth £37. It is actually an expensive product. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, I got the full size of this. It was in a BoxyCharm by GLOSSYBOX, and it was the Beauty Boost 1 month, several months ago. So yeah, so I think it's worth a fair amount, probably 50 odd quid for the full size of this. I don't know, it's not cheap. So what is it? Powered by the brand's Brow Genius technology, this serum is expertly formulated with 6 high-performance ingredients to help manage and maintain smoother, fuller-looking eyebrows. Castor oil helps protect, condition and nourish the brow hairs, while peptides and Korean ginseng encourage a fluffy finish. How to use it? Apply directly to clean brows, focusing on sparse areas. Use short, gentle strokes starting at the root and working in the direction of hair growth. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the formula to dry before styling your brows. Apply daily in the morning and night for at least 8 weeks for optimal results. Yeah, that sounds about right. And it comes in sort of like a gold tube, which it's sizable. The full size of this it's a good size. You'll get plenty out of it. Yeah, so this is exactly a mini of the full size one. It does work. I'd say the people who would really like this product are people like myself who are aging and everything starts to thin. If you've got a medical issue where you find that your hair is thinning due to aging or medical, you'll enjoy using this. Or if you've just got naturally thin brows and you just want to get fuller eyebrows, healthy looking eyebrows, this will work. It does work. I can tell you now, it does work. So that's a good start. Well, that's covered, more than covered the value of the box there, right there. Everything else is just a bonus now, isn't it? Wow. Okay, next product I'm also very pleased with, because I've tried this before as well and I really like it. I did get a smaller one of this, but I really like this cream. So this is from Gatineau. Oh, I'm impressed. First 2 products, I'm very impressed. So this is from Gatineau and it's a Hydra Aura Eclat de Soie water creme, 30 millilitres. How's my French? It's worth £19.99. So what is it? This water fresh gel with barberry fig extract, shea butter and seaweed actives promote long-lasting hydration for skin that is soft, glowing and silky smooth. The mineral-rich velvet seaweed extract reinforces skin hydration to help achieve more youthful-looking results, whilst barberry fig extract aids the natural peeling process by helping to activate skin cell renewal, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The antioxidant properties of added vitamin E help to protect skin from external pollutants. That just all sounds wonderful, doesn't it? How to use it? Apply as your daily moisturiser for your face, neck and décolleté, and or layer over your serum and or under your usual moisturiser. Why is it fantastic? Eclat de soie means radiance of silk. So this product is perfect for dehydrated and sensitive skin types. Well, my skin is dehydrated and that's why it produces so much oil. I don't know why it's so dehydrated, because I drink loads, you know. This is not wine. Admittedly, I did have wine in there earlier. This is now water. Water that tastes like wine. But yeah, this is a good product. Wow, okay, these 2 products alone, yeah, I'm all good. Yeah, I'm all good. The rest of it is like, yeah, whatever. Yeah, excellent. Good. I'm glad I kept my renewal up. That's good. 3rd product. Okay, what we got here? What we got here then? What's this from First Aid Beauty? See, at First Aid Beauty, they do a lot of products. Some of the products are great, some are a little bit of a miss with me. It just depends on what you need from them. But everything they do well, and they're an affordable brand. It just depends on what you want from the brand, really. So this is First Aid Beauty Anti-Chaff Stick with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal mini, 9.9 grams. Okay, forming a protective shield over delicate skin, this anti-chaff stick helps to defend against dryness and friction. Suitable for sensitive skin types, the stick utilises a nourishing blend of colloidal oatmeal, shea butter and ginger root extract to encourage a soothing effect. The non-sticky formula is perfect for use in the inner thighs, underarms or wherever you may experience chaffing. Interesting. You know where I instantly thought this would be useful? Okay, bear with me here. So yeah, obviously for us slightly overweight women whose thighs may rub against each other, you know, when we're sort of bare-legged, so you might get a little bit of rash in between our thighs because they kind of touch. But the other area I was thinking, two areas I was thinking, which they don't seem to have really considered here. Okay, bear with me. One, if you do running, and you know you can get stuff like, I don't know what you call them, but nipple creams, just to help you don't get abrasions around your nipple whilst you're running, especially if you're doing long distance running, so protect that area. Things like that, what do you call it, what's that stuff we always get in our boxes, what's it called, pawpaw, isn't it? Same sort of stuff. You could use that as a nipple protector. And also the other area where I was thinking, which I'm not sure if it's appropriate, but I think it would work, is for those, not me, because I'm not big breasted compared to most women in my family, but if you've got big boobs and they kind of rub and cause irritation underneath, especially when, you know, when you lift up your tit and then it's all a bit rashy and sore underneath, this would be good just to help protect underneath there, so you don't get any skin discoloration under there. You know what I mean? For the larger woman who's top heavy and you do sometimes get irritation from your bra or anything like that, this would be good for that as well. So I'm thinking for your nipple, for your thigh, and for under your tits. Yeah? I'm not wrong, am I? Alright, that's how my mind goes. Right, next, we got Brushworks. Right, so we've got satin scrunchies, 2 packs worth £4.99. Yeah, whatever. I'll leave those for Kayla. Kayla knows where to go, because I keep all the scrunchies and things I get from Ipsy in the same area in my bedroom. So when I wash her hair, I've got that. She went home with sort of 2 of my really nice ones the other day, because I did her hair the other day, and she went home with my really nice ones. So she can have these the next time round. They're £4.99. So you get 2 of those. And then which one will you receive? You will either receive a Nail HQ nail lacquer in crimson, 10 millilitres, £5.99, or you will receive from Oriella London Conditioning Iron Lash Cleanser, worth £10. So I've got the nail varnish, it looks like. Another red nail varnish. Not that fussed about that, but hey ho. And then what else is there? We have got, you get an item, it looks like, from Mayo. They did kind of mention that in the intro. So Mayo is, we sat down with Mayo brand expert Letitia Cedar to learn more about the brand's fantastic body care basics. Why is Mayo fantastic? All of the brand's products are vegan, friendly and cruelty free. Which one will you receive? So you'll have received the, oopsie daisy, suddenly got into eBay there. What's going on there? Right, so you will either receive the Mayo Liquid Yoga Bath Soak, 30ml, worth £4. Or you could get the Mayo Sun Drenched Body Wash, 30ml, worth £3. You get the Mayo Future Proof Body Butter, worth £6. I hope I get that. Or you can get the Mayo Clay Away Body Cleanser, worth £3. Is that it? Oh no, there's loads more. Oh god. You can also get Mayo Sleeping Smoothie Overnight Body Serum, worth £5. The Flow Body Oil, 30ml, worth £6. I won't mind a body oil. And a Power Body Scrub, worth £3. Right, so I definitely don't want the body scrub, and I definitely don't want, what's the other one again? I don't want the no, yeah, that's it. I just don't want the body scrub. So what did I get? I got the Liquid Yoga Bath Soak. Yeah, didn't want this one either. I didn't want that one either. Okay, so I don't know what I'll do with that. But yeah, it's nice to know they've kind of branched out and they do stuff. So, but yeah, don't want that either. So I will either see if my daughter wants, but she doesn't normally have baths. So I will probably put this in the giveaway. Calming Bath Elixir. Yeah, I'll probably put this in the giveaway box. Yeah, I'm not going to keep that. But I'm not worried about that. To me, the star items are these. this is, yeah, going with that. This is excellent stuff. I am well chuffed with these two products. Yeah, make sure I'm facing the right way for my thumbnail. Yeah, I think these two items are fabulous, so more than happy with that. Right, okay, hope you enjoyed the video. So sorry I'm like 3 weeks late with this video, so sorry about that, but you know the story, you know what's going on. But I think I'm kind of back on track of myself now, so I'll see you next time. Alright guys, take care, see you soon. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like down below. Take care, bye.